Number 1. Look at the example. How would the quotient change if the number of seats were 3,200 instead of 320? Remember that quotient means your answer in a division problem. So the first thing it tells me to do to look at the example. So you have to actually go and read the example. Alright, stands at the Lincoln football fields seat 320 people. So there's a football stadium and 320 people can sit there. They are divided into 4 equal sections. How many people can sit in each section? So they have their football stadium and it's divided into 4 equal parts. And here we can see we have a whole that is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. And here our whole represents 320 and we are trying to figure out the part. So 320 divided by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals question mark. You can represent this division problem with a bar model. Here's our bar model. To find 320 divided by 4, think 4 times what number gives us 320? That's like what we did 2 weeks ago. We know 320 equals 32 tens. 4 times 8 tens equals 32 tens. So 4 times 80, because 8 tens is 80, gives us 320. So 320 divided by 4 equals 80. So 80 people can sit in each section. 80, 80, 80, 80 to make 320. Now this problem is asking us how would the quotient, here's our quotient, how would it change if the total number of seats was 3,200 instead of 320. So now we have 3,200 seats. Well, 4 times 80 will get us 320. So 4 times 800 would give us 3,200. So now each of these spots will be 800. And I could check that by saying 800 plus 800 is 1,600, plus 1,800 is 24, plus 800 is 2,400, plus another 800 is 3,200. So how would the quotient change? We can say that the quotient, I'm going to start by restating the quotient. Look at my spelling. The quotient will change, restating, will change from 80 to 800. The quotient will change from 80 to 800. Okay, so I told how it would change. Now I have to explain. So I know this because 320 times 10 equals 3,200. So 80 times 10 equals 800. It changed it from 80 to 800.